Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are unable to pair your Bluetooth keyboard and it says check pin and try connecting again. Let's fix that problem guys. For that go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Troubleshoot setting, open it. Select the other troubleshooters and select Bluetooth troubleshoot to run guys. Bluetooth is not available on this device. Please try using external adapters to add Bluetooth capability to this computer. Click next. I don't have using Bluetooth guys, that's why having this error detected. If you have any problems detected here guys, hopefully that can able to resolve it, and click that you want to fix the problem and close the troubleshooter guys. Hopefully your problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.